Here we go, fourth graders. Let's take a look at our learning target. Today's learning target is I can find patterns. Here's my question for you, and I will say this again at the end of the video, but if you know of anything you plan on doing Friday with your day off, please share. My wife and I are going to go see the movie Doctor Strange. So let's take a look at some patterns. So patterns can often be shown in a function machine. That's what these are called. And you have the input and output. So the in is where a number is dropped in. The rule tells you what to do. So this rule is subtract 15. So we drop in a 30. That's the input. The output, we get 15. So the output is our new number. And we would subtract 15 from all these numbers. And that's what we get. That's one type of it. Another type is where they give you the output first and you have to find the input. So it's really doing the opposite here. So even though it's adding 100, I can think of it as subtracting 100 from here, and I get 250. I can also think of it as 100 plus something here gives me that. So that would be 20. Or I can think of it again, 665 minus 100 is 555, and so on. Here's another variation where they don't give you the rule. So you look here, how did they get from 7 to 49? Well, it could be they added 42, but that wouldn't work there. Maybe it's multiplied by 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 2 is 14. Yep, I think it's multiplied by 7, and that's what it is. Here's the fourth kind. They don't give you the rule, and now they have some of the input in there, but some of the output is missing too. So these ones get very tricky. So how did they get from 1 to 375? How to and whatever. So my rule here is a pound of nuts costs 375. So 2 pounds would be this double, just 750. Excuse me. Excuse me again. So we will be exploring these different types of function machines during group today. During group, bring your math journal, a pencil, your brain, and be ready to share if you know of anything you are doing for fun on Friday.